you lot, I'm Andrea Tobacco.
And welcome back to Italian English lessons.
Yes, I'm having fun. Of course, we are nervous.
For my career going better and better.
We'll soon begin to travel again, and if we want everyone looking at us, it is very important to sound like a real Italian traveler. Let's not waste time. Let's start with pronunciation. We've got two different types of pronunciation. SIEP, Standard Italian English Pronunciation, where you can pronounce each vowel or consonant with an Italian sounding. T for T, D for D, R for O, and so forth. Here's a real-life example.
Yeah, I think that when you have to play this game, you must have a plan. You have to respect the characteristic of the opponent.
If you want to boast, there's a second type of pronunciation which is usually named fancy Italian English pronunciation, which tries to mimic American English pronunciation by making faces. The best, because better.
Italian ice cream is better on the water.
Notice the lip move.
I'm really excited and really great.
But the lesson is not over.
Culture and habits.
If you're traveling in an English-speaking country, always remember my advice. If people who you're talking to do not understand what you're saying, speak louder and help yourself with gestures. Where is a restaurant?
This gesture can be either
Question mark or restaurant. So that's it for today. Keep working on your Italian English and get ready to travel again. See you around the world.
Thank you so much.